Hello, Summit Seniors. This is Mr. DeQuam from Sierra, and
Ms. Hanson from Olympus.
we are so excited that you're getting your application statuses back and you're getting your financial aid packages. Today, we're going to walk through a process to help you analyze your financial aid packages and really make the best choice for you. Today, you're going to go walk through a task card that's going to take you through some steps to think about your package and choose the best one.
What you need to do is open up this task card. You need to have all of your financial aid letters with you. We have ours open up in a separate tab. Then you're going to log into Overgrad. Follow this link, and it will open up our Overgrad account, which most of you should be familiar with. Go ahead and up in the upper right-hand corner, push Login. Enter your email, password, and click Login. Now that you're here, you can follow these set of instructions on how to enter your award letters into the Overgrad platform. This will take you to a PowerPoint. And we're going to start on slide number 5. Once you're logged in, you're going to go under the Applications tab and click on Award Letters. So in our Overgrad account, we go up to Applications and we click on Award Letters. Go back to the PowerPoint to find the next step. Under the Applications tab, type in your school and add it to your list. So we're going to have to go Applications and then add our application. So let's head over to Overgrad, click Applications, and we're going to add in Central Washington University.
You might already have your schools in there, and that's great. But if you don't, just take time to add each one so we can compare your package.
All right, let's add this application. We have applied regular decision and have been accepted. So we're going to push Save. And then head back to our applications. Once we've done this, we are going to click on Award Letters and fill out our financial information. Award Letters.
Yeah, so your EFC, your expected family contribution, is from when you filled out the FAFSA. On your financial aid award letter, you might see that listed. For this central example, it's listed right at the top. For this example student, there is an EFC of 0. Yours might be different, and that's okay. If you have your EFC readily available, you're going to go into Overgrad, and then you're going to enter it. It's okay if you don't have it right now, but knowing that number is really going to help you and your family make the best decision on the best deal for college.
All right, once you're here and you've entered your EFC, you're going to click on the college that we want to start with. We're going to start with Central. Here is where you're going to see all of the information for the university. We're going to be able to enter all of this information directly from our letter. So first of all, our financial need is $23,967. That is the amount of money that we are receiving from our aid, our scholarships, and any loans.
And to add, it's important to remember that in terms of gift aid and scholarships, those things you don't have to pay back. Grants and scholarships you don't pay back. Loans are things you do, and that's what Overgrad's really going to help us figure out around where do we take out loans and where might it make sense to choose other aid.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to enter this information. Again, if you're not sure, you can go back to the PowerPoint and we'll walk you through everything that you need to do this award letter. Let's take a look. Let's look at the total number of grants and scholarships from the university. We have a $6,000, $1,000, $6,560, plus this scholarship of $1,000. So if we add that total together, we get $14,705. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to type that number right in here. All right. Our federal Pell Grant, oops, we accidentally added that one in. that's okay. We're just going to take it out of this one. So that was a total of $6,095. Take it out of here. We have 8,610, and we're going to put it down here instead. That is $6,095. We have no grants from Washington or other scholarships. If we look back at our letter, we don't have any federal work study listed, but we do have some federal loans. So we're going to look at the different types of loans. There's a Perkins loan, a subsidized loan, and an unsubsidized loan. So we're going to enter that information here. Subsidized is $3,500. We're going to go ahead and type that in. And then unsubsidized was $2,000. Other options, there was an additional loan on there called a Parent Plus loan. That was a total of $3,762. The one thing that we're missing is the amount that it costs to go to Central Washington University. It's not listed on here. Oh, but if we scroll down to the second page, we see all of those costs broken down. So let's find each one of these locations on our Overgrad account. Tuition and fees, that's a total of $6,309. Housing and meals, $11,778. Books and supplies, that's included into this other expense category, $4,014. So I'm going to put that down here in this other. And our mandatory fees, we should put that in there as well. So let's add up all of our other expenses plus our mandatory fees to make sure we include all of that information. So we get a total of $5,880. All right. Now that we've had all of our information entered, we're going to go ahead and push save and then go back to our PowerPoint to make sure we're not missing. All right. Once you enter all of your packages, you will have all of your colleges listed, their cost of attendance, any scholarship, and then you're going to have a net cost plus an unmet need. So if we go ahead and take a look at ours, we have it all listed out here, our net cost, our out-of-pocket, and our unmet need. Oops. All right, based on our schools that we enter, we're going to have a breakdown of which of the schools are going to be most expensive, which one are going to have the highest graduation rate, and which one will be able to attend for the least amount of money. And again, all of that is going to be broken down in Overgrad here for you. Grants versus scholarships, loans, and then anything that's unmet that you'll have to find a difference for.
So your next step really is to think about this chart in front of you and think about what next step do you want to take. This blue box represents all the free money you get for school. This lime box represents everything you'll have to pay back in loans. And this black box is something you'll need to think about for yourself and with your family and with your. When you compare all your schools, keep all these three categories in mind, and you're going to walk through another task to think about what is the best deal for you.